sound like monkeys, more like chimpanzees than pups. Look at this little one here. Come on. Yeah. The police are here. There they are. Oh no, so far away. Let me see. Yeah, there they are. Having a meeting with my wife. They're not coming in because my wife didn't want to upset Annabella. Maybe filling in some forms or something. Let's see what we can use. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are all socks. Oh. Use some of this material. So you separate the jeans. You've got a few pairs of, well, just 2 pairs of jeans. Jeans are quite good. And these pullovers maybe can be used. Okay, so while you're doing that, I'm going to cut some of this material. This is going to be satisfying. I feel sad cutting this though.
Yeah.
So, oh, this is broken already, so that's all right. Because if you try to give it to charity, they don't want, nobody wants this that's broken.
I can't put this through.
You just try it, keep trying.
Yeah, it's flatten it.
So we'll make a toy for the dogs. We'll make a simple toy, okay? What I'm going to do is cut this here, and then you're going to have to stitch this up and stitch this up. But obviously stuff some, you know, material inside, so they've got something to play with, okay? We're doing this actually. Here goes. It's horrible.
It is.
No, but we're not going to throw it away. We're going to make some use of it.
Still horrible.
We can make a bag out of all old rags as well. So we don't have to waste it. Even this material, we don't waste it. We put it inside as stuffing. So there you go.
I can't even put this through. So hard. Yes. Accuracy. Ah. No.
Okay, so
can you help me put it out the other side?
I can't even see it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I just guessed where it was. Put these together. I remember doing this with my mum about, well, I'm 55, 56 now, and when I was about 10, your age.
Well, that's a long time ago.
Yeah.
46 years ago.
Exactly. Ed Zachary.
Ed Zachary.
That's a name, you know, Ed Zachary.
Really?
So probably not. Okay, so here we go. So what did I show you before? Be careful with your finger though. Like,
yeah.
Roughly you can guess where it's going to go. So in this way.
Not too close.
And then out. Well, out this way, and then put it back in here. Look, you see the finger. That's why you have a thimble, because instead of poking your finger and like potentially you can have a cut. So I can't do that. So I put my finger there, and you see when you press in, look, this hurts as well. So I have to end up using this. I should get a thimble. If I can find a thimble, we'll use a thimble, okay? If the material is soft, like that side, see this is a bit thick, so yeah, just keep doing this. Okay.
That's one.
Yeah, that's good. That's okay, let's practice, it's good. Yeah, so you can stuff that with things. Maybe you can roll these socks up, roll them up. Do you know how to roll them up?
No.
So, okay, look, you hold it like this, roll it up. Hold it at the bottom of this bit, the toe bit. Look at these toes all knackered. So roll it up. So roll it up here, and then as you get here, you see this, you can open this up. Open this up on itself, look, and you make like a little ball. I'll show you again. So roll the toe bit up, all the way up.
I see it.
See what I mean?
So when you're like halfway?
No, when you get all the way to the end,
Oh, okay.
look, you hold it with your hand like this, and then look, and this bit, you can put it all the way, all the way over like that. That makes like a little ball. That's it. So do that with these ones. Oh, this is huge. This one we can actually use as a toy. We can just stuff this full of other socks, and then we've only got one bit to close, you know, there. So we can use that one. Because the little babies are going to need toys to play with. And we can put other things inside, you know, because the socks are very soft. We can put things that make noise, little harder balls, you know.
With rice in it.
Yeah, but we have to make sure that if they break through, they might be able to swallow those things, so we have to be very careful. Nothing too small. Now you can use that material as a blanket. We'll cut squares and we just stitch them together. That's it. Oh, faster, that's okay. So you've got two, so one there and another one. Maybe the jeans we can use as well.
What if she's actually not throwing these away?
No, she is. They're all knackered. Look, they're all.
How do you know?
These are breaking up. I know because you told me she doesn't need them. She wanted me to throw them away or give them to charity. But charity, some things they don't accept. If they're broken, they don't accept them. So we might as well. Like, these are knackered here. No charity is going to accept this. So, what can we do with this?
Annabella, make sure.
Hello. Oh. Eyes are open, yeah? Oh, are they blue? Oh, his eyes are not. Yeah, I can see now his eyes. Oh.